thanks for asking. Let's take a seat.
And tell me, what are you going to do next year?
Well, I'm going to do the scientific baccalaureate.
Oh really? Me too. How nice coincidence.
And when did you decide it?
I have it clear since last year that I wanted to do something related to science. And you?
It was not an easy decision for me because I always liked the visual arts, but I like science too. So it was not until the last moment when I made the decision.
In my case, the decision was whether to do biology or technology.
And what did you choose?
Finally, I chose biology because I'm interested in evolution and genetics.
I see. And what are your expectations for next year?
I don't know. I mean, secondary education has not been very difficult to me, and I think that next year I will have to study harder. And you? What are your expectations?
I expect to pass the grade, but I know I will have to study a lot.
Without that study, we won't have time to meet friends.